Hello viewer, welcome to math class. It's grade 3 math class and today we'll be looking at data representation. That is how to calculate or find some that certain details that has to do with data. Okay, my student will join the class right now. Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
All right, so you're welcome to class for today. In fact, I was just trying to refresh a little bit ahead of your class, then boom, I slept off. Okay,
Uh,
okay, so did you do the homework?
I did. I sent it to you.
Okay, you sent it the other time.
Yeah.
Let me check it quickly. This one, this is the essay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think I found it here. I found it. Let me try to resize this page and see. Okay, I think you got 800 here. Okay, so need to rotate it. No, left, then left again. Right, let's quickly look at it before I give you something else to try, okay?
Okay.
The graph, okay, this graph shows the number of tickets bought at the local cinema. At the local cinema. So, how many tickets were bought for comedy and children movies? That means we have to get the number for comedy and add it to the number for children. One full ticket is 100 ticket. It's representing 100 tickets. So, this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600 for comedy. So here we got 600. Then for children, 100, 200, 300, 400, 550. So this is going to be 550 because of that halfway. Exactly.
Yes.
So for the oral, 1, 2, 3, that's 350. And for action or drama, we get 400. Okay, so for children, and so the first question we have this is equal to 600 plus 550, right?
Yeah.
And that'll be what? How many? What is 600 plus 550? Yeah,
Um.
600, then 550. What do we get? This is 0, this is 5, this is 11. That is 1,150 tickets, right?
Yes.
But what did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Oh, I think so. It's correct. Then the next one say, what was the total amount of tickets bought? Oh, that means you have to add up all of these figures, okay?
Yeah.
And that will be the 1150 plus 400 plus 350. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 7, 8 plus 1, that's 9, and this one. That is 1,900 tickets. Okay, it's a very good job. Just hold on there while I get you the next thing to attend, okay?
Okay.
Alright, viewers, we're gonna continue shortly. You can subscribe to this channel. We'll meet soon. Okay, we want to try the second one now. Okay. Yeah, so can you hear me now?
Yeah. I don't
Okay.
know what happened. It just logged me out.
Maybe that's network something. So let's quickly look
Okay.
at this one. This one says 5F put on a dance competition. Use a graph to use the graph and key to answer the following question. So one ticket stands for 20
20 tickets.
tickets. So how many tickets does this represent? That's 20. Then it says how many tickets were sold in 1 week? For the whole week,
80.
I mean week one. Yeah, week one, that's 80 because there are four, right? So how many tickets were sold in week five?
Uh,
Yes, how many? What did you call it?
10D.
Did you say 70?
Yeah, because there's a half ticket.
Okay, good. Then that's 10, I mean 20, 40, 60, and after 70. So how many tickets was in which week were the most tickets sold?
100, with 3.
Week three. How many tickets were sold that week?
110.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100,
I mean
120.
120.
So during which 2 weeks were the same number of tickets sold?
Well, during the 2 weeks, during which weeks two or the same number of tickets sold? Uh,
We have week two and what?
week 2 and week 4.
Week four. How many more tickets were sold in week three than week one?
Wait, can I count?
Yeah, you can.
You won't give me much time, so
No, I'll give
I
you
can.
time. I'll give you time. I'll give you time.
Okay.
Mhm.
So with that's 80 and then 110.
What did you say? Okay, you're
Okay,
still doing.
I'm coming.
What's your
I'm
answer?
almost I'm almost
Okay, okay.
30.
30. So that's you say week three more than week one. Week one is what? 80, right?
Yeah,
Week three is 120. So what's the difference?
30,
40.
40. How?
Not 30. That's 120 minus 80. That's how many tickets were sold during the entire sales period? So we're gonna add up everything. We're gonna add 80 and what's this one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 90 plus
Okay,
120.
I'm going to be back.
Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 plus 10, that's 90. And this is 60 plus that's 70. So if we're gonna add all these together, we can say this is 200 and 270, then plus 100, that's 370 plus 80, that should be 450. But let me add them up here. So 80, 90, 120, then another 90, and 70. So we got 0 here. This is 17, 19.
260.
What did you say?
260.
You said 260, right?
Yeah.
No, that would be more than 260. So
More
17,
than, wait.
17, 19, and plus another 9. That is 28 plus 7,
You might be wrong.
35, get 5. Then 3 plus 1, that's 4. I said it's more than that. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Wait.
it's more than that.
80 plus 90. There are two 90s.
Hmm.
That's what I missed.
So it's 450. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, there's a question here that we're going to attempt. It says
Yep, you're
something.
right.
It says something here. It said
Wait, what?
a mistake. A student found a mistake in the data. The maximum number of attendees for 1 week was actually 60. Hmm? The
Yes.
maximum number of attendees for 1 week was actually 60. So you're going to answer the. So what you're going to do is that you're going to make a sketch to represent this on your book, okay?
Okay.
Like you just put on four objects. It could be four cross or something, or just instead of drawing, you're not supposed to draw any ticket. Maybe you can do one, two. You understand me?
Yes, we're
Okay.
gonna spend an extra 30 minutes because I joined late.
Because what?
I joined late.
Yeah, I know, I know. So when you do this one, you put down these all details, okay? After putting that down, you now answer this one as a classwork. Is that clear? So once you're
So you
through,
have
you will
to
now
put
send it
down
to
you have
me.
to put down graph first.
Yes, you put it down, okay? So you now do this classwork. Is that clear now?
Yes.
All right. All right, viewers will
Dancing
continue
in the
shortly.
moonlight.
Thank you.
Do I have to draw it?
You're done, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's your first answer? Did you get that one?
60.
60, right?
Yeah.
What about your second answer?
Um, 20, 320. Wait, 300.
300, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see together. You know what that question is saying? Say a student found a mistake in the data. In which data? This
And the
data.
computer.
This data, okay?
Okay.
Now, he found that the maximum number of attendees for any 1 week was actually what?
60.
So it could never have been 450, okay?
Okay.
Because the maximum will be what?
60.
That means the highest number of people that can attend uh, uh, what do they call it, dance competition is 60. So that means we have to change this, okay?
Okay.
And this is still the same number of tickets that we want to use. So how can we change it? What can we use it to represent instead of 20? That is what this first question is asking us, okay?
Okay.
Now, what do we do? Let us see. We said it represents 20. And when we counted all this, we get 450, right? We got 450. Let us say if it represents 10, would we get anything 60 or below? Okay,
Okay.
let's check. This would be 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Please look at this. 50, 60, 70, 80, right? 90, 100. 110, 120, 130. In fact, it has passed 60, so it can never be 10. Okay.
Okay.
Let's use 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So the rest, it has passed 60 also. We can't use 5. Okay. What if we use 3? Because by the time we get to the end, it must be either it is 60 or less than 60. It can never pass 60 according to this information. Okay. It
Okay.
says maximum must be what?
60.
So if we get anything more than 60, then we cannot use that figure. So let us check for 3. 3, look at this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 20 what? 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, right?
Yeah.
48, 51, 50 what? 54, 57, 60. There still remain. So it has still passed 60 a little bit. So that means we can try 2, okay?
That's what I was gonna say.
So that means we can try 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, with 2, count everything and tell me what we will arrive at if we use 2 to represent each one, okay? So how many
Two,
are there
four,
altogether?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20. Wait, did I just count it by one?
Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 30, 32, 34, 36, 40, 42, 44, 46. Now remain 1 1, okay? 47, 48, 49. So the total is now 49. Exactly.
Yes, I didn't understand it if it was 60 or
You said
I didn't understand if it was 60.
if it was what?
I didn't understand it.
It's not 60. It said maximum. Do you know the meaning of maximum? Highest number must be 60. So we can get less than 60. Exactly.
Yes.
But let me count it again. My mind was telling me it should be 45 since we only removed a zero from here. Let me check. Maybe there's a mistake in that count. Something. Let's see. Let's try to count. Okay. Count with me. This is 2, right?
Yeah.
4, 6, 8. So if you count downward to this place, you have 4, 4, 4, 4, which is 16, and that should be 32. Okay.
Okay.
Then we still have the 34, 36, 38, 40, right?
Yeah.
42, 43, 44, 45. It's 45, not 49. There was a mistake in the count. So that's 45. So if we use 3 to represent each ticket, we will get more than 60, okay?
Okay.
And the maximum can only be what? The maximum can only be what?
60.
60.
6.
So now do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, put down the questions here and the answers.
I
Oh,
already put it out.
okay. Did you write the instruction at the top of it?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, that's what led to the question, okay?
Okay.
So just note it at the top of those before we round up. Then I'm going to
Okay.
give you some to try as your homework later. Alright, viewers, thanks for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future video. Bye for now.